Hello, thank you for joining us tonight. We are going to work on a car, pretty much replace some light bulbs, as you can see. This one is on, but this one is lit out. Alright, this is the rear end of our Subaru Outback 2013. This is a turn light, brakes, parking light I believe as well, and this is a reverse. This bulb is out and this bulb lit out. This is a parking light. There are just two screws here, and there should be one clip on another side. This is not even screw, this is just a plastic clip. Oops. Alright, remove this piece. But this should be a very simple job. It's supposed to be designed to make the bulb replacement fairly simple. As I can see, I can see two big bolts here. Oh yeah, perfect. I think one bolt is out. It's a kind of rubber, and this rubber now it works like a glue. A little bit slack here. Has third contact point somewhere here. Another piece of cardboard. So this is the assembly. So basically this screw doesn't do anything. These are attachment points, and you can see they just designed it to get into this. I just extracted this entire assembly. And we need to replace the bulb in the middle. This is our brake signal. I'm pretty sure it's just Yep, it's counterclockwise, and here is the bulb. Alright, this bulb, what do we have here? So we can see the bulb is lit out. You can see this, it's dark, so it's not like missing contact or something like that. It just lit out, it's visible. What's the bulb? The bulb is Japan 20 volts, 21 watts. Oh, this is the number which we are looking for. This is a 7440. So this is a pretty standard bulb, it's easy to find. This is a replacement which I'm going to use instead of this bulb, lit out bulb. And basically you can see the series is 7440. This is the same bulb. And here are the specs if you need them for, but you need to make sure this is 7440. It's easy to find, it's a pretty common bulb. You shouldn't touch this bulb with bare hands, since your bare hands they're covered by layer of fat, and this fat will be on the bulb, and when it will go hot, and you know even these traces of will destroy the bulb. Alright, let's open this guy. Pretty much typically one glove, isn't it? Make sure the bulb clicks in place, and then we just put this thing back. Okay, ready. Let's put this here. So now let's see how it operates. I would like to check this before closing the whole thing. And we see the braking lights, and you can see this is okay, and this guy was broken, now it works fine. Alright, let's clean this up a little bit to avoid any debris. Just make sure nothing prevents this thing from closing back. Perfect. Make sure these two guys are aligned with this. Alright. Okay, it's in place now. And then we have two bolts here. It's actually interesting. This has some rubber wash here, but this doesn't have anything. Let's double check the alignment. Oh yeah, it's perfect. Put this little screw in its place. I didn't understand what this screw actually does. So, but it's not mandatory to remove this. Pretty much the same procedure. Make sure there is no any dirt which will prevent us to close this. Underneath. Oh yeah, it fixes itself. And now we need to lock this down. This is just a push clip, so you need to like make sure it's in this state and just pin it. That's it. Just make sure it's in this state. It's half open, and this in this place. This is, you can close this. Then you just like click on the head, and it goes like that. All right. The job is done. We've just fixed this braking light, and now we are going to work on the parking light. We have this compartment, we have this lid. We have to open this lid and we will have access to the bulbs. Alright, we are going to work on this parking light. The hypothesis is this lid covers basically these bulbs, and we can replace them without disassembling entire. I just opened this lid, and basically it's well designed. I mean, I can replace this bulb without disassembling actually a lot of stuff here and there, so the bulbs are accessible. The upper one is, so we need this one. My hands are too large. This is a Japanese car. We need something. I don't think I have this bulb actually. Let's see. Oh yeah. Okay, 12 volts. 5 watt. 2, 4, 5, W5, W2, O, 2U4. Alright, we found a replacement for this parking light bulb. Looks like this is a Sylvania 168. Let's compare this guys side by side. Obviously they're a little bit different. This guy has two pins in the middle. But let's check this out. At least on this lamp I see 5 watt, 12 volts, something like that. The problem is the series number here is basically it already disappeared. So let's put some increase. It's always like that. You just need a little bit, but you have a lot. Okay, I need another glove. All right. Alright, let's put this thing back and check how it works. And perfect. Let's see how it works. Alright, pretty much that's all you need to replace rear light bulbs in Subaru Outback 2010, from 2010 to 2014. 2 screwdrivers and light bulbs themselves. So we fixed this braking signal and we fixed this parking light signal. This is rear braking signal is replaced by 7440, this guy, and this is replaced by Sylvania 168. This job is done. Thank you for watching. You'll see you in the next one. If you have any questions, yeah, you're very welcome. Just ask in the comment section below the video. I will be more than happy to answer. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.